Okay, hello everyone. My name is Yan Muhammad Hasya Jendra. You can call me Jendra.
And my name is Ronaldo Kaban. You can call me Ronald.
Okay, let's go to part one. Ronald, what do you do when go online every day?
My activities when online
Uh,
are usually I open social media
okay.
such as Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and watch YouTube.
What's YouTube?
Apart from that, I also learn talk digital and communicate via online WhatsApp and look important these things via the internet.
Okay.
And what job would you like to have in the future and why, Jendra?
Okay, the future job, I want to be a businessman and political. Why do I want that? Because of course, business and political are a continuity of mutual interest. Where when you become a businessman but your relationship and political skill are not good, then the business does not run smoothly. But where when you are in business and political, you have a great power and opportunities. Besides that, I also want to be dedicated to the progress of this nation and state. Okay, let's go to next question. What do you do to stay fit every day?
Okay. To keep my body fit, usually look for activities such as exercise, for example, running in the afternoon, swimming, lifting weights, and other activities. And I also usually have a health lifestyle, for example, eating nutritious food, getting enough rest, and organizing my talks.
Okay.
And next question. What your personal opinions of on success and failure, Jendra?
Okay, success and failure. In my opinion, regretting success and failure is that is like a ball, which is round, where it cannot to be a predict.
Okay.
Failure and success are something that are related. Where when you fail, you never give up, you are active, you impulsive, then success will occur. This is like a game football, and about where you mind is a mentality. However, when you fail but you are not able to develop your game, then you will still to fail. But to success when you are complicated, then you can also fail. But I have a mentality that one failure is the fruit of 1,000 success. That's to all in part 1. Next, go to part 2. Okay, let's go to part 2. This time we will cause photo at number 1 and number 5. Start from number 1. In picture number 1 is a photo the event during the demonstration period demanding the issue of the right to adequate housing, yeah, in the hope that the government and the community will care about them and realize whatever they need. Of course, this according with the SDGs. Foundation for Equitable Development and Prosperity. Okay.
Okay.
Ronald.
We will move on the next photo, namely photo number 5.
Okay.
In photo number 5, Lita can see several people that doing sports such as yoga.
Yeah.
Where there are men and women as well as several other groups. They are enthusiastic about this yoga activity to adopt a healthy life because yoga is a relaxing sport, but the results from this exercise are very good.
Okay. In part 3, me and Ronald will cause a case with a sub-theme. What is the best way to learn about things that happen in the world? Okay, I immediately ask Ronald, bro, what is the best thing for you to learn about things in the world?
Okay, for me, school is a place for you to learn and find out about new things that we have never encountered Apart from that, I also read newspapers to access and broaden my knowledge about the known world. What about you then?
Okay, for me, the first is from environmental and family factor. Why? Is that because family and friendship are the first substance in sharing knowledge because it is directly face to face. Apart from that, social media also has an influence and spreading new information quickly. Apart from that, I also watch television media because of what delivered more validated. Okay.
Okay, thanks for the discussion, Jendra.
Okay.
Now we will move on to part 3. Okay, thanks for the discussion, Jendra. Now we move on to part 4.
Okay.
Okay, Jendra, let's go to part 4. Here I want to ask Naya, let's discuss how your experience was when you entered UMN.
Okay, nice discussion. My experience why I entered in women was that first of all, I was grateful to God because God give me the opportunity to be on this campus. Then I also meet people who so great and also people who give me knowledge and life listen as well yeah. As the meaning of and as well and as the meaning of love and also relation. Maybe it all depends on what you think personally. I always learn from what I see gitu ya. Jadi so I always learn from what I see, what I experience and more. Because with this experience, I will improve myself and develop myself. Here I feel that I have grown to have a soul with the principle that failure is the beginning of success, and we have to enjoy on process by because process by process, not everything is beautiful. Sometimes it is a bitter, but we have to move on, move forward ya. Jadi so move forward and have to be useful to those around us. Okay, maybe that's all. Do briefly. What about you, Ronald?
Okay. I also think that my experience is not far from your experience.
Okay.
I am also very grateful to be able to study here to meet many people and meet good people like you. In dream of quality, the campus is generally very good. Why can I say it is a good because of the facilities, the quality of the lecture and the curriculum provided is very good. Maybe that for me.
Okay, thank you for your experience. I think we will close our discussion for today. Okay, sometimes life is a choice where you yourself determine the direction and path. Life is not always smooth. Like we go to the top of mountain, yes, sometimes there is a flat. There is an apple road where you struggle to get to the top, and when you are above, you will see the beauty of the world, and that is thanks to your hard work ethic. So instill in yourself enthusiasm and never give up. As painful as life it's harsh more when you just keep quiet. That's all for me. I'm Jendra
And I am Ronald.
Thank you for your attention.
Thank you.
Okay. Dah.